Hello everyone, Ngiyanutshisanoke and welcome to my channel. An inmate's death has sparked a meta investigation at Thabo Bester's former prison. The Department of Correctional Services is keeping a close eye on Mangaung Correctional Center in Bloemfontein after the death of inmate Mpho Mkhumbeni last month. He allegedly died from being assaulted by prison staff. His family was initially told he had an asthma attack, but a post-mortem revealed he died from pepper spray exposure and blunt force injuries. The department has since confirmed that his death was not natural but a murder. The prison, once managed by private company G4S, is the same facility where convicted rapist and murderer Thabo Bester escaped in May 2022 after faking his own death in a fire in his cell. The facility has faced continuous criticism over safety and inmate treatment, but the Department of Correctional Services say it's committed to ensuring accountability and transparency as the investigation continues. Shame, accountability and transparency seem to have escaped that department long time ago. I mean, when Thabo Bester escaped in 2022, the blame was sort of shifted to G4S. G4S is no longer responsible for that facility, so what's going on? Anyway, do let me know what you think in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.